Hi, this is Heidi Caswell here, WordPress 101 for Boomers, and this is part 3 of publishing to our timeline from a WordPress page using Facebook for WordPress. Now, we had a little bit that needed to be done here that was coming up. We had some errors that was coming in. I went in and fixed it, it had it running as I did a video, and then the video that I was making, it crashed in the middle. And so I don't really have all the steps that I did there. But right here you can see how this is now pending. Before then, this said you could go to your dashboard and click and it'll take you there. Before then it said submit. And I clicked on the submit button. We'll go ahead and show you back over in the tutorial here. I do want you guys to download the tutorial and look at it there. Once we got rid of the other pink box, a new pink box was showing up over there, and it was saying that you needed to set some directions. And when you pushed it up, and right here, if you go to this tutorial, they gave some examples that they could use. I did my own. I went and put them on a notepad thing that I copied and pasted over. Make sure it goes to your website so it can log in. So you have real valid directions that can be used. And this is because if your blog has other authors and you want them to be able to do that, it helps them to have directions as to what to do. And then when it pops up, it'll pop up with it'll have please provide an outline that each should take, and it gives an example. And if you click on that example there, that will go out, and then you can cut and paste your own directions in there, and that works out pretty well there. And it asks for the optional properties. You can just go ahead and click continue. These directions worked fine. And when I did that, then I had the pending status. And it's ready to go. I don't know how long the approval takes. We'll find out as we try it out. But anyway, it's pending right now. And it looked like it published those pages, but we'll see. And if we go to do a new page, let's go make a new post. And then you can go ahead and use this as you make your new posts. As I said, my internet's not been working real well today. And if you go in over here on the sidebar, you have a mention Facebook pages. And this is where you can type in a page that you want it to show up on. It's already set up, so it's going to show up on the fan page, so you don't need to mention that one. But maybe you belong to a group or somewhere, and people were asking, how do you do this? And or what do you think about this? And maybe you decided to do a whole post to answer that. And then they can go to the post to get your answer, which is a lot easier that you can do than just to put in a little part in the Facebook conversation. Just put a link there to your answer. And that way you can put that and put a message there. Like, hey, you were asking about here and here. Here's the post I wrote to answer you. You know, you could put things like that. Or maybe it's a group that you're talking about and you want them to know that you're talking about them. Or you got certain people that you're mentioning in the post itself, or people that you know want to know about that post and want to hear it. And you go ahead and type their name in, like I was showing you before. And it takes a little bit longer to search for than it does on Facebook, I think, if you do it directly on Facebook, but it's not too long. And then you can write a note. And just type that on in there. And then if you go on down here, past the other ones that we have here, you can put something that you want with it before it posts on your timeline. It can be you can say I just published and put the name of the post. This will be on the timeline for the fan page. It's already there. So like I said, you don't need to link to it up there, but you may want to put something here. Maybe, you know, to answer